A drip, drip, drip from your faucet isn't just a minor annoyance. In Atlanta, Georgia, homes just like yours face this issue every day, leading to wasted water and rising utility bills. But it's more than just the drip. It's about the valuable resources we're letting slip away, one drop at a time. And here in Atlanta, every drop counts. Fortunately, there's a simple solution. Call 1-877-665-6532 now and let our qualified professionals in Atlanta put an end to that leak. With our expertise, your faucet can be fixed swiftly, preventing any further waste and helping you save on those bills. Don't let a dripping faucet dampen your spirits. Act now. Join your fellow Atlantans who've trusted us to solve their leaky problems, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with expert faucet repair. Atlanta, we're here to turn those drips into smiles. Call us at 1-877-665-6532. Your faucet could be fixed today.